apparatus of this experiment are WP500 torsion test, specimen, steel and brass, hexagon socket, top measuring unit, and marker pen. And you have one more is vernier caliper. Step, you have to measure the diameter of the specimen. You have to measure the diameter using the vernier caliper. After that, you have to take 3 readings. So first take, two take reading, and the last reading. And you have to calculate the average of the diameter. The second step is you have to draw a line on the specimen to measure the length and observe the effect of twisting. So you have to draw a line using a marker pen. Draw the line on the specimen. For the next step, you have to fix the both end of this. This is the specimen, and both you have to fix on the holder like this. And this is the holder. After that, you have to mount the specimen between this is the loading and the top measuring unit. Next step, you have to turn on the hand wheel clockwise to provide the apply load, and then you have to switch on the amplifier. This is the amplifier, and set it to 0. Next step, you have to rotate the wheel by choosing of increment of the quarter rotation 90 degrees. So you have to move the wheel 90 degree, and then the readout of the value is apply torque. For the next step, you have to repeat step 5 by choosing an increment of quarter rotation and record the reading of the applied force. And then you have to take the reading every 5 or 10 rotations. 1 rotation, 2 rotation until 5, and then you have to take the reading. After that, you have to rotate the wheel until the specimen fracture. And then you have to record the final top reading of the specimen at failure. By using, you can see the reading on the top measurement unit. And then you have to measure the new diameter at the fracture point. When the specimen fracture, you have to take the new diameter. After that, you have to fill the experiment data in the table 1, table 2, and table 3 as provided in the worksheet.